Today I'm here to work on my design team project for Natalie, LineDotArrow, and we have a beautiful new kit that we're working with, and that is the Two Sister Jams Retreat Kit. So today my goal is to use paper bags and this junk that I get from work that's at the inside the paper bags, one at the top and one at the bottom, so the paper bags don't get damaged when we cut open the boxes. I have some file folders here that I really like. I have some packing paper, different size paper bags, more packing paper, more bags. So there'll be all kinds of different textures. The cover will be made out of this paper bag. I've already cut it apart because I want to sew it together. So I have one handle on both sides. And because of the kit this month, here it is. It's called Pressed Ink Memories. It's 25 pages. And again, like I said, it's the Two Sister Jams Retreat Kit. The colors just go lovely with the paper bag theme, I think. And it is a tall, skinny journal. So I've printed all the papers already. I'll just have a quick peek at these. And I've already folded them. Of course, they're going to get grunged up and inked. So I'll have 3 in each signature, and in each signature we'll also get one of these pockets that I'll sew in the middle, and they will be sewed up or glued up to make big pockets. And then with the actual ephemera, I printed it on that cardstock junk paper bag paper. So it's very nice and sturdy. I didn't print anything on the back because I thought if it was just a journal card like this, it already looks lovely. So I'm not doing anything with that. So I have all these printed, ready to go. I will be taking these with me to the cottage, and I will be sitting fussy cutting them on the dock. So those are all the pages of ephemera that I put together. So I was thinking of making the cover here with you because I would like to have the journal bound before I leave. So I'm going to I might have to iron these. I want the things like this. Yeah, so those are the inside. But I do believe it's too long this way. So I might have to fold this a little bit this way and then back again, and that should help me with my reinforced spine. I will be using fabric. That's about the right size. That's good like that. So now I just have to get the other one to fit exactly the same way. So there. And I need to make this fold just a little bit bigger. This will work, I promise you. I'm folding that the wrong way now. fabric on the inside or the outside, not sure. The reason why I know this will work is because I've done it before for this journal, and I've been using this journal now for 3 years, and I'm getting to the end of it. So by the end of this year, I should need another one. So let's see where we're sitting. I think we're okay. So I'm going to turn you off and come back once I have my journal made. All right. So I've got the journal put together. I found this piece of sample fabric or drapery sample. I had a hard time deciding what I wanted for the front, but in the end I decided on this front. So that's the inside of the cover. I use that free kind of cardstock for my signature covers. And each signature has about 20 pages in it of different sizes. Some flip out. This one flips out twice. And there's a paper bag that I put in. And that's just a seal. And there's another pocket one on there. And the next signature starts like that. And the paper bag again. And that's another flipper. This is, oh, that one must have been a one that was on the edge here, and I cut it when I trimmed off the ends. Okay, and so that's the end of that. So now I get to spend the rest of the time having fun decorating it and putting in all the extras. And then I'll see you back then. Alright, I'm here with my finished journal. I have finished decorating it. In the end, I didn't fold it. I ended up just making the signature covers bigger than the pages and then smaller than the cover. So that's how I ended up fixing that. A couple of tags here in the ladder. And in the pockets, I topped all the pockets with lace because it's hard to see that there's a pocket there. And I added pockets to the pocket in the signature covers. I think you already saw it with the pages put in, but so it's just decorating that I'm going to show you now. That is one of the flip-up pockets. This is going to have lots of writing space in it. The glue wasn't dry when I flipped the pages. The other side of the flip-up pocket. The paper bag. I put the little envelope in the paper bag. Pocket. Then there's another pocket on this side and a pocket on the inside that holds that journal card. This is a little flip. Cuff pocket with a few extra little tags. Everything that I printed, I put in the journal. Another signature starts here, and it has another long pocket with a journal tag in it. The other pocket is on this signature, little tab there at the end of the belly band. And this one's not finished. I'll have to put a paper clip there and come back and finish that. And the other paper bag is here. I didn't cut into that one, but I can if I have to. And here's another paper bag. It's got lots of room for storage. And the end of the signature cover has 3 small tags in it. And that's my journal for this month. LineDotArrow Design Team Project using the Two Sisters Jam Summer Retreat Kit. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.